Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the power cord on this Carrier Gree ETAC heat pump unit, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, be sure to turn the unit off. Then detach the power cord access panel and unplug the old cord. Remove the unit's front panel by pulling the bottom of the panel out to release it from the tabs, then lift up. Now unthread the lower right screw securing the junction box cover. Unthread the 3 screws securing the junction box itself. Pull back the cover to fully detach the junction box from the power cord. Next, unthread the screw to release the cord from the retainer. You can now disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old cord. To install the new power cord, connect the wire connector. Then place the cord behind the retainer and rethread the screw to secure the retainer to the frame. Reposition the junction box and rethread the screws. Rethread the lower right screw to fully secure the cover. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the tabs over the top rail, then push the bottom of the panel in until it snaps into place. Feed the new power cord into the base and plug it in. The ETAC heat pump system should now be ready for use.